नमस्कार. टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एल्काइल ग्रुप्स. एल्काइल ग्रुप्स क्या होते हैं, उनका हम लोग कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं. व्हेनेवर वी स्टार्ट विद द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में हमें एल्काइल ग्रुप्स बार बार यूज़ होते रहते हैं. बार बार हमारे पास एक नाम आएगा एल्काइल ग्रुप्स. एल्काइल ग्रुप्स क्या होते हैं, कितने टाइप के होते हैं, हम लोग कैसे उनको कर सकते हैं. एल्काइल ग्रुप्स को जनरली रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैपिटल आर. कैपिटल आर इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ एल्काइल ग्रुप्स इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. होते क्या है एल्काइल ग्रुप्स. देखो, जैसे हम लोगों ने नाम सुना है एल्केन. एल्केन को हम लोग सिंपली कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, आर एच. अगर मैं एल्केन में से क्या करें, हम लोग एच को रिमूव कर दें तो द रिमेनिंग ग्रुप इज नॉन एज द एल्काइल ग्रुप. द रिमेनिंग ग्रुप इज नॉन एज द एल्काइल ग्रुप. द लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द एल्केन इज लाइक दिस. हमारे पास में ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं H, और जब हम लोग H को अलग कर देंगे यहाँ से तो क्या होगा, हमारे पास में जो RH बॉन्ड था उसका एक LP हमारे पास LP जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन था RH बॉन्ड का, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन होते थे RH बॉन्ड में, तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तो हाइड्रोजन लेके चला जाता है और एक हाइड्रोजन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन R के साथ रह जाएगा. तो जो एक अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन रह गया, इसकी वजह से ये हमारे पास कैसे होते हैं, पैरामैग्नेटिक होते हैं. ऑल द एल्काइल ग्रुप्स आर पैरामैग्नेटिक. Due to the presence of one unpaired electron, these are highly reactive. High reactivity. All these are highly reactive. And the type of the hybridization that is present in the alkyl group is sp3 hybridization. All are the sp3 hybrid. Now we discuss some alkyl groups. Like, just we start from the alkene CH4. When one hydrogen is removed from here, the group that is formed is known as the CH3. As we know, the one carbon is known as the meth. In the IUPAC nomenclature, एक कार्बन होने से हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं, मीथ. इसके साथ हम लोग सफिक्स लगा देंगे YL, तो CH3 का नाम क्या हो गया हमारे पास में, मिथाइल. इन द सेम वे C2H6, जब C2H6 से हम लोग एक हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कर देंगे तो क्या बचेगा हमारे पास में, C2H5. एक ब्लैंक बॉन्ड यहाँ शो कर देंगे. ब्लैंक बॉन्ड क्या शो कर रहा है, एक अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये किसी के साथ में अटैच हो सकता है. या फिर हम लोग उसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, वी रिप्रेजेंट लाइक दिस CH2 CH3. कितने कार्बन है, 2 कार्बन्स आर हेयर. 2 कार्बन्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, ईथ. सफिक्स इज द आइल, सो नेम इज द इथाइल. इफ वी हैव C3H8, on that time that is converted in C3H7 by the removal of one hydrogen. Now from this onwards it show isomerization. So there are the two isomers of this one is possible. Which are those? The one is this CH2 CH2 CH3, and another one is CH3 CH CH3. This one is known as the N. N mean normal. How many carbon? 3 carbon are there. So prop. Suffix is the YL. It is known as a normal propyl, or we say that the N propyl. If your two CH3 groups are present like this, on that time this structure is known as the iso, and the name of this one is the isopropyl. Name of this structure is isopropyl. The same way, if you have the C4H10, when you remove one hydrogen from there, that is converted in C4H9. Now the isomers of the C4H9 is like this. The first one is the CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2. This structure is known as the normal, so name is the N. 4 carbons are there, butyl. It is known as the normal butyl or N-butyl. If structure is like this, CH3CH CH3CH2, when two CH3 are present like this, on that time we say that is the iso. So this one is the isobutyl. 4 carbon are there, so the but and the YL is a suffix because this is the alkyl group. So this one is known as the isobutyl. The next possible isomer is the CH3 CH3. This type of the structure is known as the tertiary. This type of the structure is known as the tertiary. So name of this one is the tertiary butyl. This one is known as the tertiary butyl. In the same way, for the C5H12, we have the 8 type of the isomers. For the C5H12, if we remove one hydrogen, that is converting C5H11. For the C5H11, there are the 8 possible isomers. 8 possible isomers of these are the possible 8 isomers. Look for the first isomer. The name of the first isomer is normal. There are the 5 carbon. So normal pentyl. 5 carbon mean pent, and the YL is the suffix normal pentyl. The second one, 2 CH3 groups like this present, that is known as the isopentyl. Isopentyl. This structure is the isopentyl. Now look for this one. This one, if one carbon blank bond is present there, that carbon is surrounded by other 3 carbon groups. That is known as the tertiary. So name of this one is the tertiary pentyl. When one carbon is bonded with the 4 carbons, that structure is known as neo. So that is a neopentyl. This structure is known as the neopentyl. This structure, when a blank bond is present with the carbon and that carbon is attached with 2 ethyl groups, C2H5 and C2H5, that is known as the secondary pentyl. Now look for this structure. This carbon is attached with C2H5. In this side it is attached with CH3 group, this side attached with the CH2 group, and this side attached with one hydrogen group. So all the 4 valencies of this carbon is completed by different groups. Such type of the carbons are known as the chiral carbon. So this one is the chiral carbon, and as we know, the chiral carbon compounds are optically active. So it is known as the active amyl. This compound is known as the active amyl. This alkyl group is known as the active amyl, or we can say the another name of this one is the active pentyl. It is also known as the active pentyl or active amyl. Now look for this one. It is known as the secondary active amyl. Secondary active amyl. In previously used nomenclature systems or primitive nomenclature system, for the 5 carbon, if the 5 carbon is present there, we use a normal word amyl for that. So this amyl is used here. Secondary active amyl, blank bond present on this carbon, that carbon is attached with CH3 group and C3H7. This group is normal propyl. This group is the normal propyl. When your blank bond carbon is attached with normal propyl and methyl, that is known as the secondary active amyl. This one name is, only the IUPAC name is available for this. So 1, 2, 3, the name of this one is the 1,2-dimethyl 1,2-dimethyl propyl. सो हमें यही एल्काइल ग्रुप्स थोड़े बहुत काम में आने वाले हैं. इसके ऊपर अगर हम उग जाएंगे तो नंबर ऑफ द एल्काइल ग्रुप्स हमारे पास में बढ़ते चले जाएंगे. ड्यू टू द आइसोमेरिज्म देयर आर द मोर नंबर ऑफ द ग्रुप्स आर प्रेजेंट. देखो C5 कार्बन होने से हमारे पास में कितने एल्काइल ग्रुप्स तैयार हो गए, 8 कार्बन तक के हमारे पास एल्काइल ग्रुप हो गए. कोई भी एल्काइल ग्रुप हो, कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो, जब हम लोग केमिकल रिएक्शन की बात करेंगे तो हम लोग उस केमिकल रिएक्शन में एल्काइल ग्रुप्स को R से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. R का मीनिंग इनमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है. दैट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन एग्जामिनर हमें कैसा क्वेश्चन देता है. उसने कह दिया कंपाउंड बनाओ, ये कंपाउंड कैसे बनेगा, तो पहले हम लोग जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शन लिखेंगे वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ R लिखेंगे और उस क्वेश्चन के बेस्ड पर हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि R का वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है, एग्जामिनर एग्जैक्टली क्या जानना चाहता है, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ R इज देयर. Now we discuss some other groups. Those are widely used in our organic chemistry. This compound is known as the benzene. This one is known as the benzene. If we remove one hydrogen from the benzene, the remaining group is known as the phenyl. The remaining group is known as the phenyl. If benzene is attached with the CH3, that is known as the toluene. If one hydrogen is removed from this CH3, the remaining compound is known as the benzyl. The remaining compound is known as the benzyl. If one more hydrogen we remove from there, that is known as the benzyl. If one more hydrogen is removed from there, that is known as the benzo. This compound CH2 double bond CH2 blank bond is known as the vinyl or vinyl. It is matter to you how you pronounce, कैसे बोले हैं उसको, vinyl बोलना है vinyl बोलना है. This is known as the allyl. This is known as the 3 carbon are there, so prop double bond in due to the blank bond yl, propenyl. This is known as the isopropenyl. Isopropenyl. This one is known as the propargyl. This one is known as the propargyl. This one is the known as 3 carbon are there. 3 कार्बन है, क्या बोलना है, प्रॉप. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है YL, ब्लैंक बॉन्ड है, फिर से क्या आ गया हमारे पास में YL, प्रोपाइल. दिस वन इज नॉन एज द प्रोपाइल आइल. प्रोपाइन आइल. CH3 CS triple bond C, then blank bond, that is known as the propyne aisle.